South Africa sanibingelela ngani zawethu namhlanje mhla ka7 kulonyaka u2025 enyangeni uApril. Bangana zakuthi siphuma ngapha eJelemarysburg ke nje basoda benelika baba umfowethu uGugu kaDlamini nimazi ngecala liboshelwe. Bafethu sidangele phela amazwi sidangele nje kanzawethu engingakusho nje ngithi nomuntu osekhaya neBhayibheli akafunde udaba lika Josefa lo okuyena uthi ubechaza amaphupho ukuthi kwenzakala lithini udaba lwakhe. Lokho nje engingakusho kwamanje. Bongoza
sanibonani. Angikho right umoya wami ulimele kakhulu. So kuningi nje mfethu okwenzakalayo. Leyandoda leyo ihlukumezekile kakhulu, and the more engage nayo ziningi izinto ey'velayo, and it's so interesting, and I can't wait ukubona isiphetho sale case. Kunzima ngema lapho
umhlaba nje uzoyibona ireality ukuthi umhlaba onjani. Sometimes impilo is not fair, yabo engakusho, but ke angeke sisho kuningi kanzawethu, kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhona empilweni yakho baba uGugu Dlamini. Lokho ngingakusho. Siyabonga.
Hello Msanta, welcome to Mkosos Msanta. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Welukhumbula liqala ala Gugu Dlamini lolaphana ejele longenile licala lokuthi urape udlenge lomfana waseswakhe uNtuzu noNhle Dlamini. So Thuleleni TV nebameli bebayelaphana prison bayombona, and they are shocked, the guys, but abakhoni ngisho nokukhuluma uGugu Dlamini uhlukubetekile, and they are coming with the new shocking information. And it seems like bona after bamvakashele lapha eprison bayabona ukuthi akanalo uqala, he's actually innocent. They're even saying because they are heartbroken loba uhlukubete ngendlela lesimanga. They are saying ukuthi justice for uGugu Dlamini. Noma abantu abaningi besicabanga ukuthi liqala lelingazothi selahliwe, kuyakhombisa ukuthi lisashisa leqala alilahlwanga, and they're still fighting ukuthi bamtholele justice ubaba Gugu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.